Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with something kinda different. Today I'm showing you an idea how you can make an art integrated project. This is the 12th chemistry project on food adaptation. So let's start. Firstly, I wrote here about acknowledgement and the aim of project. And from here the project work starts. As you know, in art integrated project, you need something more creative. So firstly, you should have written some basic information on your topic as I wrote here. Then as we got some examples also, so I have used this for writing examples. Then nextly, I have used them for writing experiments. Experiments in section 1 contain the experiment about testing the presence of adulterants in fat and oil. First experiment of paraffin wax and hydrocarbon. Second, adulteration of dyes. And third, argan oil in edible oil. Section 2 contain the experiment about detecting adulterants in sugar. Here are two experiments. First, adulterants of insoluble substances in sugar, and second, adulteration of chalk powder and washing soda in sugar. Experiments in section 3 contain experiments on adulteration of species. Here are 4 experiments. Red chili contain red lead and yellow lead in turmeric, 3 brick powder in red chili, and 4 dried papaya seeds in pepper. Here I wrote observations and result of above experiment. Coming on the next section about diseases caused by food adulteration. Here, I wrote about different diseases caused by adulterants. Next, I wrote about precautions we should take. Finally, there comes the conclusion. And also don't forget about bibliography. And with this, our project is completed. And if you like this idea, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also don't forget to mention your views in the comment section.